Hey guys, it's Sydney Alexa. I am back and better than ever in quarantine. So I thought I'd bring back my YouTube channel because I'm really bored and I haven't posted in like 9 months because I've been at school. And before you ask, this is my parents' bathroom. It has the best lighting. So I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm not good at makeup. I have no idea what I'm doing at all. Like I literally put on the bare minimum, but I'll just show you what I'm doing. So yeah. I'm gonna put on some moisturizer because my skin is crusty AF. So I'm gonna put on Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. That's my typical lotion I put on. Just one pump all over the face. Now, I don't use foundation because I think it makes me look cakey. So I'm gonna go in with Tarte Shape Tape. I use light medium because I'm pasty and I like to look a little more tan. I literally put it all over my face. Like literally everywhere. I have a pimple, so cover that in a shot. Okay. You stop it. Okay, so I just wet my beauty blender. It literally looks disgusting. I don't know how to wash it, so you kind of just rub it in. I dab. I kind of rub at the same time. I know that's bad, but this is just my routine. Almost there. Stunning. Wow. Okay, so I use a brush. I don't remember when I got it, but I just connect it. It literally broke. Okay, so I use powder now. I use Tarte powder medium, and I rub this all over my face. And over your neck, because you're not like an orange man. Just rub it all in there. Okay. Okay, next I use bronzer. Bronzer. I use Too Faced milk chocolate. I want to get the darker one because this is this color and I kind of like want to look more tan because I'm really pasty, but I got this one by accident and now I just use it and I just like put a lot on. I put it all on my cheekbones. Wait, I think this looks really bad. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna blend, so don't worry, guys. We will be blending. Oh my god, I feel too. Okay. Let's just take our beauty blender and kind of try to, I think that looks a little better. I don't know. I think I messed up here. We're just gonna forget that, okay? Yeah. Okay. Next I'm gonna use some highlighter. I use this. It's I Love Revolution Rose Gold Glow. I use the pinkish one. It just like looks better on me. And I kind of just use my finger because I don't really know what else to use. I just see people go like this, so I do it. I don't know if you can see my highlighter on there. Oh. Okay. And then I put some on my nose. Oh my god. My stomach just, I'm so hungry. Okay, and then oh my god, this is not going well. And then I put some, here. I just see Haley Baldwin do this. So I do it. I do whatever Haley Baldwin says to do. Her skin is perfect. Okay, I also use this as my eyeshadow. So, because I just like don't know what else to use. Like I literally don't use any, like I don't know. Give me suggestions. I put a lot. Oh, also I have a sty on this eye. Well, I used to. And they said like not to put anything on it, but for this video, I'm gonna risk my life. So hopefully I don't go blind. Wow, that looks just perfect, honestly. My stomach. Okay. I like to put a little extra. I really like to shine. So, okay. And then I'm gonna put on some blush. Ulta Beauty blush in the color Pink Smoke. I'm gonna go in with the bronzer, brush that I use, and kind of just, I think I put too much, but I kind of just put a little on. I'll blend it out, so don't worry. Oh my god, this is really not going well. I don't know. Where am I? I think I haven't. Oh, here we go. I'll use this big brush to blend everything. Okay. I think it looks a little better. Maybe. I don't really know. And then I'll put some mascara on. If I can find it anywhere. Oh no. Okay, got it. Don't worry. Now, I kind of just use whatever I have. Right now I have Too Faced Better Than Sex, but I'm not really good at mascara and it always looks clumpy on me. So I kind of just, can't really see what I'm doing. Okay, that doesn't look bad. Oh, I'm about to contour my nose. I gotta contour that. That's a big nose. Okay. That's the best we're gonna do with the mascara right now because I can't really see. Let's go back to the bronzer for a second. Too Faced bronzer. And just do the sides. And yeah. And then to finish it off, since I have chapped lips 24/7, I'm gonna go in with the Glossier rosebalm.com. It looks crusty as hell, but it works on me, so. Just gonna squeeze a little. And put it on. Okay. So, this is the final look. Thanks for watching the worst makeup tutorial you probably ever watched in your entire life, but I just hope I made someone smile during this quarantine, because I know I'm bored out of my mind, so I'm sure you guys are bored too. And it gave me something to do. So, like and subscribe, comment if I look pretty. Actually, don't comment. And I don't want to know. And I hope you guys stay safe. And yeah, have a great rest of your quarantine day.